Hey, ConvoCourses, thanks for signing up. I appreciate everybody. I just wanted to let you guys know, keep you updated, get you in contact with me. I've got a few more courses out since you've signed up. More than likely, I've got a IT marketing course where I tell you exactly how I'm able to get all these opportunities daily. So go ahead and check that one out. I've also got an entry level. If you happen to be an entry level person, you're trying to figure out how do I get into IT? What do I even start? What do I need to do first? I've got a course for that, cybersecurity entry level. That's what that one's all about. But if you're more seasoned and you already have a position in IT or IT security and you're trying to become a risk management framework person and you want to have a practical knowledge, practical information on what do you actually do as an ISO or information system security officer, then you want to go check out Foundations. Now, Foundations is going to be a whole series of courses. I plan on doing another one where it's risk management framework, information system security officer, security controls, where I walk you through security control families. So that one's going to be a whole series of things. And then also I have something to where how do you make six figures? If you're already in IT, you're already in risk management framework or in cybersecurity, and now you want to figure out like, man, how do I really upgrade? How do I get to that six-figure mark? I tell you some tricks of the trade and some things that some actual branches of IT security where it makes six figures. Some things that I learned along the way and how you can get into it. No guarantees, but how you can kind of move your career in the direction of six figures. And if you are interested in that one, check that one out. One of my favorite courses is remote IT. I work remotely. I've been working remotely for the last 5 years, and I tell you how I've been able to get and find these remote positions for IT, cybersecurity. They're all out there. You just got to know where to look. So that one's there's that one, and then I've got a couple free things out there that you may already know about. So I just wanted to kind of get you guys updated on what's going on. If you didn't know, I have more stuff, and I've got more stuff coming. I'm going to try to release stuff on a monthly basis. I kind of broke down a schedule. This is stuff that people have been asking me to do, starting with the cybersecurity entry level. I felt that one was necessary, so I released that one in December. And then January, I just recently released the marketing, cybersecurity marketing, how to market yourself. That one's out there. Go ahead and check that one out. And then I've got the cybersecurity risk management framework. This one is for the ISC2 CAP course. This is an actual certification for risk management framework. This one's going to take me a while. I don't know that I'll be able to finish it in February. I'll probably have to do something else in February, but this one's on my list of things to do. And then I'm going to go into threat analysis. There's just a lot of different things I'm going to do. Risk management. I'm going to do risk, the C risk possibly this year, and many others going into Security Plus and things like that. If you have any suggestions, anything you want me to do, anything you want me to expand in some of the existing stuff that you've already been through, if you have any questions in general about your career, about your resume, you want to just talk to me, I'm going to give you my contact information over here. So go ahead and check that out. And I'm also going to give you guys, for you guys that are interested in actually getting into any of these other courses, because you signed up early, I want to do something special for you guys and give you a code. So go ahead and check. If you use this code right here on any of the courses you see on the screen, you'll get the discount that you see here on the screen. It's for a limited amount of time, so go ahead and check that out. It's just my way of saying thank you guys for signing up and being members. I'm going to put more free stuff out there just for you guys who have enrolled free and gave this course a chance, or gave my information a chance. So there you go. There's the discount code and it works with any of this stuff for a limited amount of time. And hit me up if you have any questions about your resume, about getting in this field. Any of those questions, hit me up on here. There's my contact information. And that's it for this one, guys. See you on the next one.